passports, yes. Tickets, yes. Money, yes. Sun cream, where is the sun cream? Front pocket, Mum. Good girl. Mike, the taxi is coming in 20 minutes.
I know! Why did we pack so many shoes?
Those are your shoes, Mike.
I need a lot of shoes.
Tom, are you ready? Tom!
I am ready.
Tom, you are in your pajamas.
Oh.
Go and get dressed. Now. Quickly! Okay, everyone. Out of the door. The taxi is here. We are going to see real aeroplanes today! Real on ones!
Bye-bye, house. We are going on holiday.
Okay, gate 14. We have 45 minutes. Let's stay together. Everyone hold hands. Flight to Paris, gate 14, now boarding.
Relax, Sarah. 45 minutes is plenty of time. We are fine.
Mom, this airport is so big. How do people not get lost?
That is a very good question, Emma. Tom?
Tom, come on!
Mom, that aeroplaning is so big. Look at it. My aeroplane is this big, and that one is that big.
Yes, Tom, it is very big. Come on.
But Dad, if you put 100 of my aeroplanes next to that aeroplane...
Tom, walk now.
Mom, where is Tom? Tom! He's gone!
He was just here! He was right here! I saw him 2 minutes ago!
You said you were watching him.
I was watching him and the bags. It is very hard to watch both things.
He was looking at the big aeroplane on the ceiling. Maybe he walked toward it.
Emma, you stay with Dad. Do not move. I am going to find Tom.
I'll go left. You go right.
No, we do not split up. We all stay together. That is how we lost Tom in the first place. Okay, all of us. This way. Quickly.
Hello. Are you lost?
Lost. Yes, I lost. Family. Gate.
Me too. I am lost. My family is somewhere. They always walk too fast.
Sit here.
This is my aeroplane. It is a Boeing 747. Do you know Boeing 747?
Boeing! Yes, Boeing 747. Good aeroplaning. Very big.
Yes, very big. I know all the aeroplanes.
Japanese biscuit. From Tokyo.
Tokyo! I want to go to Tokyo. Haneda Airport has 4 runways.
You like aeroplane very much.
I love airplanes. We should go to the information desk.
Tom!
Tom! Buddy, where are you? Tom!
Mom, the information desk. Tom knows about the information desk. You told him. If he is lost, he will go there. Emma, you are a genius. Where is the information desk?
There! Follow me!
Tom! Oh, Tom, are you okay? Are you okay?
Mom, I cannot breathe.
Tom, buddy, we were so worried.
I was not worried. I knew you would come. I also had Japanese biscuits. You are so annoying. I know.
This boy. Very good boy. He helped me. Very kind.
Thank you for looking after him. Thank you so much. Mr. Tanaka, this is for you.
I remember today. Always. Thank you. You will be a very good pilot one day.
I know! That is my plan!
15 minutes. Gate 14. Run!
I thought we had plenty of time.
Mike, run!
Come on, everyone!
We're almost there! Next time, hold my hand. Okay? Okay. But only because you are slower than me.